This article is titled Atypical Hemolytic Uremic Syndrome and was authored by Veronique Framosbaki and Chantal Loirat.
Hemolytic uremic syndrome, HUS, is defined by the triad of mechanical hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, and renal impairment. Most patients present with hemolytic anemia, thrombocytopenia, and renal failure and 20% have extra-renal manifestations. 2 to 10% die and 1/3 progress to end-stage renal failure at first episode. Mutations in the genes encoding complement regulatory proteins factorH, membranecofactorprotein, MCP, factorI or thrombomodulin have been demonstrated in 20 to 30%, 5 to 15%, 4 to 10%, and 3 to 5% of patients respectively, and mutations in the genes of C3 convertase proteins, C3 and factorB, in 2 to 10% and 1 to 4%. In addition, 6 to 10% of patients have anti-factorH antibodies. Except for patients treated by intensive plasma therapy or eculizumab, the worst prognosis is in factorH HUS, as mortality can reach 20% and 50% of survivors do not recover renal function. Half of factorI HUS progress to end-stage renal failure. Conversely, most patients with MCP HUS have preserved renal function.
We are article.tv. Links in the description below.